Hello, and welcome to another video. Today, we're going to take a quick look at how the bulk product scraping from URLs to Shopify optimized for shoes template works, which you can find in the template marketplace. I also have a few other videos about templates and connecting BrowserAct to n8n, so feel free to check those out. First, let's look at the input. From now on, we're mostly relying on Google Sheets or Telegram bots for input. We won't be adding inputs by hand anymore since the workflows are getting more professional. In the Google Sheet, I've added some random names and URLs from the Nike site. We pass this data to BrowserAct, where our agent visits the page to get the data. Since this template is optimized for shoes, it will get 3 random images and the shoe sizes from the page. You can customize it as you wish. The n8n template is filled with notes. You can read them when you get stuck. It's simple. We get the data from the Google Sheet and send it into the loop. Once the loop is finished, an alert is sent to the Slack channel. Inside the loop, we pass the URL to the BrowserAct inputs. Don't forget credentials. In the second node, we wait to retrieve the data. You may not see the BrowserAct node as it is a community node, but I have included the URL in the description. Next is the code node. Inside this node, we separate the images and variants because we need to polish the JSON data before sending it. In the output, we have title, price, description, category, size, and images. In the next section, we create a Shopify product using the title and description. After that, we add the desired options in the edit field, and then create the basic variant option. We are using an HTTP request for this workflow as I faced some bugs. The ID for the product came directly from the Create Product node. We can split data thanks to the code node. Also, you might have seen this step. I'm using the code and split nodes together a lot. I'm not sure why, but the Shopify node seems to have a bug or some missing options. Either way, I want to get the job done, so I'm just using the API. You can use the product ID from creating product node along with the image and variant JSON for the API to add the shoe data. You don't need to change anything, as it's all working fine for whole resellers. After it's done, the process repeats for the next row in the Google Sheet. As you can see, I'm showing both the Nike site and our test Shopify page. It's getting random images from that site and adding them to ours. Remember, you can modify any step you want. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.